Hi, thanks so much, Kelsey. All right, here we are in the old port of Montreal, and this is such a fascinating city. I'm here with Thom Seivewright. He's a Montreal expert. You were my tour guide last year. It was good to meet up with you again this year. And one of the great things about Montreal is even if you've been here, a dozen times, the city is always changing and growing, and there's so many new things to see.
Absolutely. It's going through such a boom right now. Things are changing really fast.
All right, we want to show you some of what we saw yesterday. Have a look. Well, this is a first good morning. Oh, it's my breakfast. Thanks. This is amazing. Anyway, this is a great way to start my day with a healthy breakfast and a robot. We are at the Hotel Montreal, where this is how you get your breakfast delivered. We are going to head out and enjoy a great day in Montreal. Can't wait to get started. See you later, friend. Hey, Thom.
Hey, Anne-Marie. Welcome back.
Thank you. Good to see you again.
You too. Welcome.
This is fun. So round two, what are we doing this time?
I wanted to show you all the new, cool, exciting stuff in the city.
I love that. Why are we starting here?
Because we're standing in front of a mural of one of my favorite human beings ever.
It's spectacular.
One of the greatest ambassadors of the city, Leonard Cohen.
Oh yeah, and it's like he's looking on Montreal with his hand on his heart.
It is. He's looking over a neighborhood that he used to hang out in when he was a teenager. He used to hang out in the bars here on Crescent Street. And that's partly why he gave his accord to putting up this mural. And the other reason is it was based on a photo taken by his daughter, Lorca, so it meant a lot to him.
This one? Yeah. Oh, that's spectacular. This is beautiful, Thom, but I don't remember any of this from our last visit.
None of this was here when you visited last year. This used to be an elevated highway. They knocked it down. They anchored the park with these amazing works of art, like this one right here.
Yeah, tell me about this. This is pretty spectacular.
This is by a Spanish artist called Jaume Plensa, and it is made up of all these different characters and letters from all these different languages, meant to represent the multicultural aspect of the city.
Oh yeah, I see some Arabic characters, Chinese.
Yeah, Cyrillic.
Amazing. Yeah. And it's a guy, he seems to be sort of looking towards downtown.
It's kind of like he's trying to focus you this way, entering you into the city that way.
All right, can you focus me down this way to see what else is in the park?
There's a really amazing installation there I'd love to show you.
Okay, well, let's go see it.
All right.
I did not expect us to be so high up.
I took you up this staircase. This is an installation by a local artist called Michel de Bruin. He used the staircases because that's such a typical feature that you find in Montreal architecture.
Yes, outside people's homes. You see these winding staircases. It's brilliant. Exactly. And I can't believe this beautiful park used to be like this ugly roadway over here.
It used to be an elevated highway that split the city in two. It was a 1960s urban landscaping blunder.
It really is beautiful. And you know what else it makes me feel like? I feel like I'm on the Titanic.
Yes.
This place is very cute.
Isn't it adorable? Coffee,
I love all the green.
Ice cream, candy, souvenirs.
Oh, candy, souvenirs. Let's go. As usual, you have given me a fantastic tour of Montreal. Thank you so much. This is our last stop, and I love it. It is quaint, it is charming. Why is this the place that you picked for me to see?
I love the look of this place. Yeah. This is Le Petit Dep. It's a very old dépanneur. Actually, it's been open since 1822. Wow. In one form or another.
What is a dépanneur for people who don't know?
Dépanneur is the cornerstone of every Montreal neighborhood.
All right, well, let's go shopping.
Let's do it.
And what's great about a dépanneur is you can get everything from like milk and breakfast food and candy, and that one had foie gras,
oh my God,
wine.
It's got everything.
Yeah, and you always say, what is old is new again.
Exactly, that's right.
We had such a great time. Thank you so much. And what I appreciated about your tour is it's places I may not have ventured on my own as a tourist. I might have been intimidated, but because you've showed it to me now, I feel like I can go.
It was such a pleasure to show you around. Come back again next year.
All right, if you are coming back, make sure you check out Thom Seivewright. He's at Montreal Expert. You'll also have a link on our website.